Hello, in front of me I've got Skate. In this video I'll show you how to push yourself faster. In the beginning, it depends on the steering you've got set. Firstly, let's go to settings and let's check what steering you have set. Go to gameplay and find control presets. Here we've got control presets streamlined, classic and experience. You can see the changes of the steering on the right side. Basically, with the left analog you are steering right and left, and also you can push yourself forward or brake. If you want to ride faster, press square to push yourself with the back leg and X to push yourself with the front leg. You can also push left analog forward in some steering versions. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.